Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Rajat Kapoor, Revati, Deepthi Naval, and Director Original Films Netflix India, Mrs. Ruchika Kapoor, and the host with us is Sri Prabhaji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information Broadcasting, Government of India. Thank you so much, sir, and a very, very warm welcome to all of you here. It's so overwhelming to see this team here at the prestigious red carpet, and we have the world premiere. Honey sir, as the captain of the ship, how does this feel?
Very excited. Very happy to be here.
Yes, and this is of course after 5 years you're coming with Raat Akeli Hai. How much of pressure was it for you to deepen the mystery, I would say?
For that we have to watch the film. It's very thrilling and exciting, and very happy when Ruchika and Amit heard the script and they green up the film within 20 minutes.
Fantastic. Ruchika, over to you. Yes, Ruchika, I've personally been seeing your journey. We've worked together a couple of times, and congratulations on taking all the films to global level. So much love and appreciation globally you're getting for the work that you have been a part of. Talking about this film, what was it about this that made you greenlight it in 20 seconds, 20 minutes?
You know, it speaks more about Honey's talent than it does about our skills. Rarely does it happen जब आप एक कहानी सुनते हो और आपको लगता है ये तो अब भी बननी चाहिए. And I think Honey ने जो legacy create की है with रात अकेली है, जो एक noir mystery thriller है, unlike any other. I think who done it are a very favorite genre of the audience. And when I heard it, in fact मुझे नहीं पता था who done it. And that rarely happens क्योंकि हमारा काम है to know and to recite again. So स्मिता हनी ने जैसे कहानी सुनाई, 20 मिनट बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे क्योंकि खत्म उन्होंने कहा कब शुरू करेंगे. And then over to Nawaz and everyone else for their dates. But there was nothing else from our end, and I really hope the film touches an emotional chord like it did to us. Thrilling तो है ही, लेकिन थोड़ी emotional जो feeling आती है film के end. I really hope that translates.
Fantastic. Nawaz sir, जब भी sequel बनता है किसी भी film का, एक्टर के ऊपर तो मतलब प्रेशर होता ही होगा ना. आप कैसे उससे डील करते हैं और इस बार आपने क्या अलग डाला है?
सीक्वल नहीं है, कैरेक्टर जरूर एक्सीडेंट के हैं, बट बिल्कुल अलग मूवी का अलग केस है और बहुत ही हार्डकोर है, बहुत इन डेप्थ है, बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है मूवी.
Fantastic. Ma'am, you are looking. Your look is. I was stunned by the look, and it's looking so intense. So much mystery around your character in the teaser. I know you cannot reveal much since it's all about mystery. But how was the experience of shooting this particular film?
For me, it was one of its kind because I wanted to do Actually, I wanted to do prosthetics. So this gave me a chance to experiment. I thought only actors get to do prosthetics, so मुझे भी करना है. I think I just did it for fun, and Honey said you won't regret it, so I counted on that. I hope it works like the way you promised.
Fantastic, it surely will. Sir, how does it feel to be here in Goa? गोवा के कैसे अक्सर क्रिएटिव लोगों की जो वाइब है, जो एनर्जी है, वो जगह के हिसाब से भी चेंज होती है. तो एज अ कलाकार, एज एन आर्टिस्ट, कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर आकर?
गोवा और इफी.
गोवा और इफी दोनों.
Goa is a beautiful place forever, and so is Ifi. And I was telling somebody I've been coming to Ifi for 40 years now, when it was in Delhi and parts of Goa, and it's a great festival. It's really a great festival.
How have you seen it evolve over the years?
The festival.
क्योंकि 40 साल मतलब आपसे तो ये सवाल ही पूछना बनता ही है.
It goes through phases. I think when it was in Delhi, that was the final charm. When it's come to Goa, I think Goa has become more important than the festival.
Fantastic. Goa has another charm.
Goa is the most charming place in the world.
Fantastic. Ma'am, I know you cannot talk much about the story, but I can always ask about your experience of being with this amazing team right here.
Give me this opportunity to be part of such a fabulous team of actors, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you. Fantastic, sir. A few words from you, and we have a group picture and we proceed to
very warm welcome again to the team, and super excited to see. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Can we have a group picture of all of them together, please? Sir, please. Yes, yes.
और लेके सभी फोटो में